Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell and show you how you can share several contacts on iPhone at once. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes under the video, and also don't forget to write your comments after watching. So friends, let us get down to our topic. And first of all, please open up the calling app on your iPhone and go to the contacts section here. And now I'm going to show you how you can highlight multiple contacts at once. To do this, you'll need to use 2 fingers to press, hold, and swipe down on your contacts. Press and swipe down. As you can see, the contacts are highlighted. They are highlighted in this gray color. And you don't have to go straight down to highlight contacts. Let's say you have selected contacts in one part of the list of all your numbers. Then you can go down a little bit and press and hold and highlight a few more contacts, and do that a few more times until you have highlighted all the contacts you want. And in order to share them now, you will need to press and hold absolutely on any of the selected contacts. Only on one contact you press and hold. And as you can see, here appears the number of selected contacts, that is, they are grouped all together. And then you press the share function in the small menu. Now friends, also here you can choose exactly what you're going to share. You can choose, for example, only photos or only cell phone numbers or some other options. Also, if you have a list like this at the bottom, for example, there's Telegram, WhatsApp, something else, there's some additional messengers or social networks, which are assigned to people by their number. You can also share just those. So you can highlight what you want and then click at the top Ready. And now you'll get a window like this, where you can share either with your selected contacts or in some of the messengers or in Gmail, like Telegram, WhatsApp, and so on. Your chosen contacts. This is the way, friends, you will be able to share multiple contacts on your iPhone at the same time. I really hope this video was helpful and useful for you, friends. Please like, comment under the video, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.